Bellissimo, oggi siamo a
Hollywood!
Truttatu. Siamo venuti a trovare il nostro amico Dave, che è uno dei potenziali chitarristi per la nostra trasmissione, nonché per la nostra band.
Sì!
Lui fa i tatuaggi, Ario. Magari ci facciamo fare anche un tatuaggio, già che siamo qua.
Se facciamo fare un tatuaggetto.
Ma sarebbe bello, no? Eccolo qua! Hey Dave!
Hey, how you doing?
Great, what's up?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Ciao.
Maybe we're gonna come back also to have a tattoo.
You want a tattoo on the hand?
I want a tattoo. Do you have a soppressa tattoo to do it?
Not for me.
Yes, I have just the one.
It's like a big salami. Yeah?
Yeah.
A big one?
Well,
Italian
not too
sausage?
big, right?
I would like to have it like here.
I think it would look really good.
Yeah?
Mario.
Ario. Grandissimo.
My name's Dave. I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia. And this is True Tattoo. It's kind of a staple in LA. Originally opened by Clay Decker. Oliver Peck bought it about 6 years ago. Best place in the world. Started playing guitar when I was around 14 or 15. A friend of mine got a Ramones record. It changed our lives. Pretty much I just sit there with like those records and like teach myself how to play it like every day. And then you realize that you don't even have to really be good to be good. We would just start playing shows all the time and been doing it ever since. I've been drawing my whole life. So you're playing in band, you also need to draw like a flyer for the show. I'm gonna draw the flyer. We're gonna put a CD out where we need the art for the cover. Well, I'm gonna draw the art for the cover and you're just doing that the whole time. And then like everyone in the band wants a tattoo. So we start like hanging out at tattoo shops and stuff. I just kind of fell into it like that. Some guys taught me how to tattoo and so I was able to do that and do music. I didn't have like an office job. Well, so I tattoo full time and I play in a band full time. I played in a band called the Ex-Gentlemen. The band that I played in before that did really, really well for a minute and then just like crashed. And I was really pissed off and so for a minute I was like, I'm not playing in a band anymore. I'm done with that. Like I'm just gonna tattoo. And I went about like 3 months not playing in a band and then I was like, okay, I need to play in a band. I was here one day tattooing and they came in and I find out they're in this band and I told them I played guitar and stuff and they said they were here from Italy and they were looking for a new guitar player. A couple days later and asked if I wanted to try out. I've never been to Italy before. Yeah, I figured I'd give it a shot, right? I mean, I'm a pretty good looking guy, whatever. But yeah, no, I checked it out, it was cool. It's reminiscent of a lot of like good things, like a lot of good like rock and roll. Definitely had its own kind of thing, had its own sound going, and that stands out. If I get the job, if they pick, which they probably will. Well, number one, they're all really tall, and they need someone to represent shorter people. Like I've always, like when I'm not singing, I like to be like one side of the stage, the other, like back and forth, like I like to get exercise. I think I will be a terrible influence on them and make them party even more. Well, I've never been to Italy, so like I'm gonna wanna party in Italy. Like I don't know how they party in Italy, and I wanna know. Like we're adults, you know what I mean? Like we're here to have fun, but we wanna be here a long time.
I really love this bancone, come si dice?
Bancone, tattoo table, yes. Are you playing anytime this weekend?
Yeah, I'm playing Sunday actually. I'm playing in Hollywood.
Really?
Sunday, yeah.
That's good.
Sì!
Yeah,
Are you guys gonna come?
Yeah, sure.
What?
Of course, yeah. Yes.
Yeah! Thank you.
Poi passa. Come i VIP.
Se c'hai, siamo qua sulla testa destra.
Siamo al Mi.
E T e Tony.
Andiamo a vedere la dolcissima Tracy, è qui che ci aspetta.
Ma sì?
Sì, andiamo a conoscerla insieme.
Lei sarà bravissima.
Bravissima e dolcissima.
Sola e coverte, l'amore in dose complica, che poi fa stare male, che sei chi preferisce.
Hey Tracy, hi, good to see you. Fine, thank you. So, can you play something for us today? Yes, let's go.
Hi, I'm Tracy Lambertucci. I'm a guitar player. I'm a student at MI. I have been playing for 10 years already, and I have been here in LA for the last 4 years. So I started playing acoustic guitar when I was 15, then I moved to bass, and then eventually came to play electric guitar. I do a lot of session gigs. I tour, I record. Mostly I started playing when I came here 4 years ago. I'm from Caracas, Venezuela. There's not a big industry back home, but yeah, I did a little bit there. I studied most of it. We had like a cover band back home. It wasn't a big deal. Most of it like learning, playing people. I just want to play for other people. That's what I have been doing for the past 4 years. I love a lot of different types of music. I love fusion a lot, rock, R&B kind of stuff. That's what I like to play the most. My favorite band is Rush. I love them. Progressive rock kind of thing. I love John Mayer too. I listen to a lot of different music. Actually, saw a post. I can't even remember where I was, but I saw that you guys were shooting an Italian TV show, and it was interesting because of my heritage. My family is Italian too. I heard a couple of songs. I checked Facebook, the website too. I know that you guys play a lot. That's why I contacted you guys. Well, they're very fun. They look like they're fun people. I'm actually a little crazy too, so I think it would be a good match for them.
Bene amici, questa qua era Tracy.
Bravissima e dolcissima.
No, MI, com'è questo programma? Che piega sta diventando?
Sta diventando interessante, mi sembra.
Si sta impienando di belle ragazze.
Molto bene, molto bene.
Che in tasca noi go mai a voi, ma se tratta di peuco fate i cazzi tui.
Sì, dei film. Mi par più gli armadietti, quelli dei racconti del padre avanti con gli era militare. Che faceva sta roba, si chiama il jukebox. Ti toi una monetina. Padre avanti o chi per esso, sei qua dentro. Ti butti dentro la monetina e la monetina che casca che da cantare.
E se lo canta?
Se lo canta bene, io butta sopra il scale, tutto là.
Beh, qua canta bene tutti, per cui se si riapposta.
Non voglio mica rubare, ma se sei
Si va bene. Robe, rompe. Sei fuori.
Apre lo spritz da paura.
Wow.
Evviva!
Evviva!
Ragazzi,
Studio di tatuaggi là, bellissimo. Super.
Dave mi sta simpaticissimo.
Sì, mi piace proprio giusto.
Fuori.
No? Certo che mi ricordo un Fiat Thomas Mimo, il nostro amico del bar.
Tracy però da paura anche lei.
Dobbiamo fare il punto della situazione. Vi dico a me chi mi piace.
Dicelo.
Dico Dave, che mi piace. Lio, che secondo me poteria fare bene. Rocky Roy.
Vabbè, grazie.
Sopra proprio tutti.
Però mi ha dato la mail prima,
No.
te lo leggo, che parte
Come non viene?
è un impegno nazionale, non so dove.
No, cioè, se poi torni su, però tipo Tracy no.
Susi magari.
Anche Jenga su grinta,
Sì,
se
vero.
vogliamo fare che bianca fuori la bene, che nome,
Abbiamo Lio, Susi,
Dave.
Jen e Rocky Roy purtroppo non viene.
Niente Rocky Roy.
4.
Vabbè dai, ascolta, cin cin, arriva.
Raga, sempre a girarla e viva.